hi. Welcome to the Sheppard residence. I'm Angela. I wanted to thank Kevin Lamb for coordinating this and all the musicians participating, people who are watching. Again, sending love out to everybody right now. We're getting through this together. I'm in my pajamas because I'm home, and well, I went out in my pajamas today too to get some groceries. It's been real cozy lately in my pajamas. And I also want to bring up the significance of this white balloon here. I've had it since New Year's Eve, and it's holding up pretty well too. Anyhow, I'm going to play a song that I wrote a few years ago. I'm going to start with one called Ocean's Ghost. Purple and blue, the ocean carries through, not hidden in an underworld anew. Shells that I use to hide inside, hermit away, limitless treasure to find. I'll lighten the load to further the vision. Underneath the surface, volcanoes are bursting. Lighten the load to further the vision. Underneath the surface, volcanoes bursting. Been to a place where there is no light. Only hope to have comes from in, not outside. Why do we call how we were born? Ghost of the ocean, we're warm. Ghost of the ocean, we're warm. Well, there's rocks in my stomach, rocks that pull way down. Get on a ship in an egg, so not to drown. Bones that are moving, slowly passing by. The ocean's ghost has a past, but it doesn't ask why. that's Ocean's Ghost, and it's about letting go of the old self, and it's also in reference to jellyfish. They're oftentimes kind of ghost-like, if you will. But yeah, I like writing a lot about oceanic creatures and animals and things of that nature. This next song is definitely something I think we can all relate to, or about something we can all relate to. It's called Long Day. I wrote this one maybe about 5 or 6 years ago. This is Long Day. Make it through, make it through, oh, this long day, oh, this long day, hold on tight, hold on tight, a light will come, oh, a light will come, how to deal with these circumstances, where are the tools? I was looking for a map or something with rules. Relief from strife would be necessary. Please hear the plea. Help for these tears, they're not leaving. Make it through, make it through, oh, this long day, oh, this long day, hold on tight, hold on tight, a light will come, oh, a light will come. Yeah, we all have long days. Some are longer or feel longer than others. But we get through it for sure. We are getting through it. Just gonna wet my whistle a little bit here. This next song is called Bury Me, and I wrote it in a time when I was kind of coming out of a depression, or my own depression, and I was trying to figure out how to let go of some old habits. And there's a lyric in this song about I keep calling Saturn, and yeah, it's kind of a song about reaching upward and outward to the universe for help. It's called Bury Me. I keep calling Saturn to talk to him, even though I'm drowning when I try to swim. Mouth open wide, teeth are gonna eat me, old self is gonna die. Dreams seem pleasant, they're to life. Tornadoes, wind is cleansing as it passes by. Crawling in the mud, amphibious to pull. Where's the lightning bolt, and where's the cure? And I keep calling to the root in the ground. I keep calling to the root. I keep calling to the root in the ground. I keep calling to the root. I keep calling Saturn to talk to him. Oh, not familiar, not pleasing, outgoing. A lust that's tied to a history of him. I gotta shake it out. In the day, I can feel the earth's pull. Something that is greater than the nature of this bowl. Weeping eyes that clarify the story. Amethyst in my hand, I'll keep a little glory. Stay in the stillness, sadness will join. I'm looking forward for a small coin. All the ills will remain but sleep. Fear can disappear, yeah, we know it's all we. Yeah, the fear can disappear, 'cause we know it's all we. And I keep calling to the root in the ground. I keep calling to the root. I keep calling to the root in the ground. I keep calling to the root. Bury me, won't you bury me? Won't you bury me? Won't you bury me? Behold me, yeah. Oh, behold me, yeah. Oh, behold me, yeah. Oh, behold me, yeah. Bury me. All right, got my heart rate up. Woo! So yeah, that one's about letting go of old habits and turning to nature for guidance. I'm finding more and more nature is really helpful right now. I've been waking up and trying to get outside at least for an hour. Today I got up and took off my socks and literally just put my toes in the earth, and that felt really grounding, literally and figuratively. This last song I'm going to play is called Dream Fight, and it is about a dream that I had where I was about to play some music with some friends, and I got in a fist fight with a friend of ours, Stu. Hi, Stu. We don't fight, we're good friends in real life, but for some reason in the dream, I had a dream about him where I kicked his ass. This is called Dream Fight. I had a dream that you pushed me, cause you were drinking too much. Turn around, disoriented. I could have given you a punch. The lights were flashing and the girls were dancing. I had a dream that you pushed me, cause you had to crash. Had to crash. I had a dream that I slapped you, cause you went too far. I turned around disoriented. You drove off in your car, but the lights were blinding and they were reminding me. I had a dream that I slapped you, cause you went too far. You went too far. I gotta change my reactions. I gotta change my attachments. I gotta change my reactions. I gotta change my attachments. I need to change my, yeah, yeah. I need to change my, yeah, yeah. I need to change my. I had a dream that I slapped you, cause you went too far, went too far, went too far. Thanks for listening. Thank you, Tom Sheppard, for filming. Blessings and peace to everyone right now. Thanks again. Thank you, Kevin, again, for orchestrating this. Have a great evening, everybody.